To begin, you can access your Parent Portal account by first going to our VVSD homepage at vvsd.org and hovering over the Families menu. Under the drop-down, you'll then select Student Info Infinite Campus. Once on the page, you can then select Family and Student Login to bring you directly to Infinite Campus. Next, select Campus Parent from the two options provided. Once you're at the correct login page, you can then enter the username and password you created when you set up your Parent Portal account. If you ever have trouble accessing your portal, you can use the hyperlinks below the login button to retrieve your username or password. On your homepage, you'll be directed to the Message Center with the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. If you're not able to see the menu, please select the pancake icon in the upper left-hand corner in order to view it. From the menu on the left-hand side, you can select Grades in order to view your students' current grades in their courses. Within this module, the grades will be broken down by grading period such as semester or quarter, as well as by course. Clicking the header of a course name will expand or condense the grade information like such. If you click the name itself, it'll bring you to a page with the grading information only for that course. In order to go back to view a different course, you can click the back arrow next to the course name. From here, you can continue to select any courses as you wish. On the left-hand side of the screen, you also have a menu called Documents. From here, you can find your students' report cards, schedules, and any other documents that are tied to that student. You can see that this test student currently has a report card available to view. If you click the line item, a new window will open displaying the report card information. If the text is too small or large, you can use the minus and plus icons up at the top to adjust the size of the document. After you're done viewing the report card, you can simply close the window and repeat the process for any other students you may have in our district.